A profound internal rupture within Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party has been laid bare not in the clandestine corridors of power, but in the very public arena of the Constitutional Court. The recent legal changes mounted by faction of the nation's Reverend War veteran against President Mnangagwa proposed term extension is far more than a mere legal skirmish. It is a potent signal of a deep-seated struggle for the very soul of the Second Republic and a desperate attempt to defend the traditional path of power within the party. Secret plot to keep Mnangagwa in power and succession plan B. Why war veterans are really fighting into the extension. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa on my Zimbabwe news on Chiti. For decades, Zimbabwe's war veterans have been the undisputed kingmakers, the formidable muscle behind the throne, ensuring the ZANU-PF machinery remained well-oiled and loyal. The influence forged in the crucible of the liberation struggle has historically been instrumental in shaping the country's political landscape. However, the audacious move to extend the presidential term beyond the constitutionally mandated 2 terms has triggered alarm bells among those who now fear that the crocodile, as President Mnangagwa is known, is consuming his own, threatening to dismantle the very foundations upon which their powers and their relevance rest. The heart of the matter lies in the controversial Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, gazetted on 16 February 2026. This legislative proposal seeks to dramatically alter Zimbabwe's political framework, extending the presidential term from 5 to 7 years, effectively allowing President Mnangagwa to remain in office until 2030. Furthermore, it proposes to extend parliamentary terms to 7 years and critically to shift the power of electing the president from the public to the Parliament of Zimbabwe. The bill also aims to strip the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC of its authority over the limitation and the voters' roll, centralizing these crucial functions. Behind the official narratives of constitutional adherence, a more intricate and perilous game of political chess is unfolding. Whispers of a succession plan B have been circulating within ZANU-PF circles, a plan reportedly sidelined by Mnangagwa's inner circle. This legal challenge by the war veterans is widely seen as a strategic move, potentially sponsored by a rival faction within government, using the veterans as a front to gauge the levels of public and military resistance to the president's perceived power grab. The tension between the military elite and the civilian wing of the party is palpable. Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga, a powerful figure with deep military ties and a key architect of the 2017 military-assisted transition that brought Mnangagwa to power, is reportedly at the center of the internal opposition. Sources suggested that Chiwenga and the Central Intelligence Organization CIO had advised against proceeding with the Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3. However, President Mnangagwa reportedly disregarded this counsel, granting Justice Minister Zembe authority to push forward with the drafting and presentation of the bill. The outcome of the court case will have far-reaching implications, not just for President Mnangagwa and the ZANU-PF party, but for the entire nation. It will test the independence of Zimbabwe's judiciary and the resilience of its constitutional framework. The world watches closely as this internal struggle unfolds, a struggle that will ultimately determine the direction of Zimbabwe's political future. Homa developments are reported Zimbabwe. Pana comment section medo za fungulo imo tulipa mzorobe chitu kwishi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.